Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find always on display and lock screen. Then let's tap on sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the very bottom we've got 10 minutes, which is the longest option available right here. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will choose 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.